Today is the 4th day of May 2023, 20 minutes past 4 p.m. And this is an update as the spokesman for Dr. Chief Sunday Igboho, popularly known as Sunday Igboho Sha, as we have been getting the latest update from Benin Republic. This is again to tell the federal government of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, that is making effort to push for the withdrawal of the security of Dr. Oloye Sunday Igboho from his apartment in Benin Republic. We would like to again ask the question, what has been the offense of Chief Dr. Sunday Igboho that the federal government of President Muhammadu Buhari continue even after the invasion of his house and the assassination attempt on his life on the 1st of July 2021. We would like to tell the international community, the United Nations, ECOWAS, African Union, to tell President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that already Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. Likewise, Sunday Igboho has not committed any offense in Nigeria to warrant his assassination attempt on his life. And likewise, as he has been held in Benin Republic going to a year plus now, we would like to again emphasize and say thank you so much to the President Patrick Talon for continue to give the guarantee to Dr. Oloye Sunday Igboho while he continues to stay in Benin Republic. And we will again like to tell the Secretary General of the United Nations that an individual known as Dr. Oloye Sunday Igboho that is also asking for the right to self-determination, where the federal government of Nigeria attempt to kill him, has also given the warrant for an extra security on his life while he's in Benin Republic. We would like to put it on record, today being the 4th of May 2023, that the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, is still making an attempt to the life of Dr. Oloye Sunday Igboho. Fáǹfààní gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátápátá nílé lóko, èmi ni Ọláyọmí Kóìkì, agbẹnusọ fún Olóyè Dr. Sunday Igboho. Mo fẹ́ fi tó gbogbo wa létí pé Muhammadu Buhari, ìyẹn President Nigeria, ó ń gbìyànjú láti sọ fún President Patrick Talon pé kó gba security tí wọ́n fún bàbá wa Dr. Oloye Sunday Igboho kúrò ní Benin Republic. Àmọ́ kò tí ì rí bẹ́ẹ̀ nítorí pé kí ni Benin Republic kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ni wọ́n tún wá increase security fún bàbá wa Dr. Oloye Sunday Igboho. Bàbá Oloye Sunday Igboho tí mo ti láǹfààní àti bá sọ̀rọ̀ kó tó di pé a gbé fọ́nrán yìí jáde, wọ́n ní kí n sọ fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pé àlàáfíà làwọn wà, kò sí ewu rárá. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní kí n sọ fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pé Buhari ló ń gbìyànjú pé kí Talon yọ security tí ó fún wọn látìgbà tí wọ́n ti wà nílùú Benin Republic. Àmọ́ Benin sọ pé àwọn ò lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Nísìn gbogbo ẹni tó bá fẹ́ dé ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá wa Sunday Igboho, kódà ó máa láti go through extra security check kó tó lè ní ó máa láǹfààní àti rí wọn. Olóyè kì í ṣe ọ̀daràn. Olóyè kì í ṣe ọ̀daràn. Olóyè kì í ṣe ọ̀daràn. So kò sídìí kankan tíjọba Nàìjíríà kó gbọ́dọ̀ máa wá olóyè àbí tó fẹ́ máa wá ikú ẹ̀ pa. Àwa tó ń sọ fún gbogbo àgbáyé láti United Nations títí dé African Union, ECOWAS, America àti gbogbo àgbáyé pé bàbá wa Olóyè Sunday Igboho kì í ṣe ọ̀daràn, kò dẹ̀ ń ṣe ẹni tí wọ́n ń wá. So kó sọ fún ìjọba Buhari pé kó jáwọ́ nípa tí ó ń ṣe láti máa tẹ̀síwájú pé òun ṣáà ní tipátipá ní dandan òun fẹ́ mú Olóyè Igboho. Once again, it is just to give an update on the latest coming from Benin Republic. I have spoken, like I said, to Dr. Oloye Sunday Igboho, and if you are going to go and visit him, you would have to go through extra security, which we are grateful to President Patrick Talon for making that very, very important for the safety and the security of Chief Sunday Igboho, while he continued to get what we called protection while he's in Benin Republic. Protection on his life, protection under the international law as someone, according to international law, where the Nigerian government has been planning to kill and assassinate, just as they've done so when they visited his house. 2 individuals were killed, and those 2 bodies have still not yet been returned as we speak today.